Take this topper and put where the pantry.
All right, this is room 7230, and it's an ocean suite. It's pretty spacious compared to some of the others. We got a special little sign up, Happy Holiday. So, Mike sails on the Echo plan, so they ask him what he wants in the room, and then they deliver it. It's just normal TV. You got your safe. It's got storage cabinets here. You got 4 drawers. So there's a lot of storage. The nightstands have storage. And then you have your double closet, which has plenty of room. That's our suitcase for the 4 days. We both are packed in that suitcase because we do take advantage of the laundry service. It's a nice big mirror. You can have the bed either single or king. As you can see, it will fit a scooter in here. And then you have your desk. There's your couch, which is also a bed, a little sitting chair, and a table. And it has the balcony with 2 chairs and the lounge. Looks like they've been painting. So it has the other nightstand. Mike is unpacking. It has a very nice bathroom. So you have a dressing table, vanity, do your makeup, do your hair. But it also has another closet. So this side has a hanger and rack and shelves. And then this side is all hanging in your life vest. Hopefully we won't need them. And then inside you have the double sink. Shelves, nice little mirror. It's magnifying and regular. And don't mind me in the picture. But it has a nice walk-in shower with the sliding doors. And then there's another shot of the vanity, which also has 4 drawers, a bench. So, ocean suite, 7230. And Mike is getting ready.